water pipe nila, Mr. Chair, usually water pipe, maliit lang. Yung water pipe nila, Mr. Chair, nasa nasa mineral water. Ganon sila kabigat sa droga during that time.
So I just wanted that clarified because I remember na iyan nga, ilan lang yung firearms na recover and that there were more persons who died compared to the firearms that were recovered in that area. So that's why I asked about it.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So again, Pidea, can we act on my request kanina na compare natin yung fingerprints based on the case file of that Alan Lim in Cavite?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And can we do it as soon as possible para at least
Yes, sir, we will
masundukan natin
submit it.
tong identity ng person na to? Ha?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Very
Congressman
quick, Mr.
Flores.
Chair.
Yes, Congressman Luistro.
Mr. Kidato, sabi niyo po kanina magkasama kayo ni DG Wilkins Villanueva sa airport. Ano pong petsa at oras ito?
Paglapag po namin, nandun na po sila. So
What time
around
is that?
it's between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. Your Honor.
Would you know why nandun si DG Villanueva?
Nandun po nagsama-sama po dumating kasi ma'am yung mga top brass na sinasabi po niya. Ako naman po nagre-represent ako ng Bureau of Immigration, si Congressman Alipio Fernandez. So nandun din po kami. And afterwards, sabay-sabay po kami pumunta doon po sa Dumoy, doon po sa laboratory na kung saan nangyari noong previous night yung sinasabing parang enkwentro.
Would you confirm kung ang dahilan kung bakit dumating itong top officials is because of the Dumoy
Yes, ma'am.
operation?
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
the reason. So I suppose as well, Mr. Kidato, that during that time, nagkaroon din po kayo ng briefing coming from DG Villanueva, being the one in charge of the operation. Tapos dumating po yung mga key officials. Tama po ba?
Hindi po. Nauna po kasi sila General Aglipay at iba po pong top brass. Nahuli po ako. So ang naabutan ko lang po yun, yung middle ng parang usapan kung ano nangyari nung previous night.
In other words, Mr. Kedato, aside from DG Villanueva, sino pa po ang present among the key officials when you arrive at the airport?
Ang naalala ko po doon, si Colonel Asherto, Wilkins, si previous na Chief of Staff, AFP, Carlos, at mas naalala ko si ma'am yung aking unit na PNP si General Aglipay po. Kasi siya nag-imbita po sa amin.
And of course, you are aware that the reason why you were sent to Davao is because of the Dumoy operation. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you bother to ask for update, briefing from the PIDEA?
It was happening at the time when I arrived, ma'am. They were
And-
doing the briefings.
Was it mentioned during the briefing that there were 11 Chinese nationals who were turned over to the Bureau of Immigration?
Wala po, ma'am. Wala po noon.
Don't you find it...
Ang sabi lang po sa amin doon, ma'am, there will be another operations. Nakipag-coordinate po yung PIDEA with the local BI office doon sa Davao at
Don't
that
you
time.
find it strange, Mr. Kidato?
Na ano po,
The
ma'am?
reason why the Bureau of Immigration, you were sent to Davao, is because there were foreign nationals who were apprehended and allegedly were turned over to the Bureau of Immigration of Davao City. Don't you find it strange na hindi po kayo in-update ni Director General Villanueva about that turned over that happened just a night ago, a day ago?
Ma'am, allow me to explain, Your Honor. Nalaman ko lang po na meron pong nangyayaring mga iba pang operations. Nung nandoon na po ako doon sa Dumoy, na sinasabi nila simultaneously meron po silang ini-implement na parang check doon sa other side naman po, doon sa parang apartment. But I have not set foot over there, ma'am.
Mr. Kidato, you mentioned a while ago that they conducted a briefing when you arrived.
Yes, ma'am. Informal po.
And I believe that this is one salient incident which transpired during that Dumoy operation. And the reason why BI is being represented during this time is because it involves foreign nationals. Tama po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
You were informed that there were 6 killed Chinese nationals.
Doon po nakafocus, ma'am, yung
Yes,
briefing.
but why were you not informed that there were 11 Chinese nationals who were turned over alive to the Bureau of Immigration?
Later ko na lang po nalaman yun, ma'am, nung bandang hapon na po.
From whom? Was it an official information?
Yes, ma'am. From also from General Wilkins, Colonel Wilkins.
With all due respect, I find it somewhat like a selective briefing. You were briefed about those who were killed, but you were not briefed at all officially with respect to the 11 turned over alive to the Bureau of Immigration.
As I understand from the briefing that he was saying a while ago, ginawa yata po man kailang operations sa Arlene. Nung kami nandoon pa yata sa Dumoy, while we were visiting Dumoy, and I had no information about that kung ilan na nahuhuli o may hinuhuli ba, ma'am. Yun lang po.
You arrive at around 9 o'clock, is that what you said?
At around between 9:30 and 10 o'clock, ma'am.
9:30 and 10 o'clock of January 1.
Yes, ma'am.
DG Villanueva, anong oras at petsa niyo po ba tinurn over itong 11 Chinese nationals sa Bureau of Immigration?
Mr. Chair, talagang, I'm sorry, talagang hindi ko ma-remember yung doon sa Arlene apartment na after operation
At
because
at
I
least
was
with-
focused more on the laboratory.
On the
kasi
follow-up operation. I understand. I
aside
heard
from
you.
follow-up, Mr. Chair, is nagdatingan kasi doon, yung briefing na kinakandak ko sa airport, Mr. Chair, is that ito yung kinikwento ko yung operation sa Dumoy. It's not really kung ano pa yung mga operation na andyan. Na andun yung top brass, kinuwento ko what happened. Kinuwento ko kung saan nagumpisa, kung saan natapos. Because after that, Mr. Chair, dumiretso na kami sa Dumoy apartment. Sa Dumoy laboratory. Ngayon, merong PDEA, composite ng PDEA, Davao City Police Office, and BID na nag-follow-up operation sa Arlene apartment in which wala akong personal knowledge na dumiretso sila sa Arlene apartment. Ang ano lang is follow-up. Because I'm more focused doon sa mga VIPs na naandun na to brief them on where dito saan ang enkwentro, itong machine na to para saan ito, because naandun lahat, Mr. Chair. Naandun si late Secretary Reyes, naandun si General Aglipay, naandun si General De
if I
Leon.
may interrupt. I understand that from your own testimony and that of Mr. Kidato, the reason why these key officials arrive in Davao is because of the Dumoy operation. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Would you not agree with me that the apprehension of the 11 Chinese nationals, if not part, is a follow-through of the Dumoy operation? Yes or no?
That is post-operation investigation.
In other words, it's a follow-through of the Dumoy operation. Don't you
Ye-
find it
yes, Mr.
significant to include it in the briefing to the top officials who arrived for the purpose of that Dumoy operation?
I was not aware of that post. I just ordered SPO for Carillo, o anuhan yan, balikan nyo yan. But I was not aware during that time na magpa-follow up na pala sila during that time na nag-aasikaso ako ng mga VIPs on that following day.
Are you trying to tell us, DG Villanueva, that when these key officials arrive,